Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're filming summer vibes. I'm kidding. Oh, that's the theme of the video, but we're actually filming summer inspired eye makeup tutorial. It's like my type of summer vibes, you know. So without that further ado, let's get straight into this video. So I am mainly going to do it without talking because this is going to be an IG tutorial slash YouTube as well. I'm going to do it step by step so you guys can see how I do it. I love the fact how matte this makes me look as soon as I apply it. I have this side a little bit red. You can't tell on camera, but in person you can definitely tell.
Walk it like I'm talking. You walk it like I'm talking. Walk it like I'm talking.
I look like a crazy guy. I'm gonna put a little bit because with this highlighter, a little bit goes a long way. Woo, told you. Should we put a gloss? I feel like it'll look better with a gloss on. Should we? This highlight, we're highlighted to the goddess today. Like, look at this. And then I put a little bit of pink and purple, this pink and purple. I mixed this one, and this one together, and it made that beautiful. But I feel like it's light. It's too light for my skin, but it's okay because we're trying to go colorful here. It's summer vibes. So I also want it to look really dewy because I did said I think it was in my previous video, I'm not sure, that this summer I want to have this dewy look slash finish in all the makeup looks that I do, which is what I want. I have shine. I also highlighted over here on my forehead, which I barely do, but I've been wanting to do that lately. Also, something that I've been wanting to do is highlight here too, to see how it looks. Like, do you see that? That's really pretty. I just, since I'm so oily, I didn't used to like it, but now I found a way to make it look a cute, luminous type of dewiness, that it doesn't look like a sweat, you know. There she is. Yeah, are you still filming? I just finished, but I'm gonna film another video. Okay, I feel like it looks better with a gloss, but I also feel like I have too much shininess everywhere. This is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this summer vibes type of thing. I really enjoyed it. I really like this. I feel like I would do this for like a really summery event. I don't know. These are not my type of colors. You guys know that I stay on neutrals, warm tones. That's my kind of vibe. It's like a pool, like water and sun, you know, really cool. And they match my nails. They literally match like my nail exactly. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on my next one.